So guys, it's finally happening. Apple has done it again. But this time, it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The brand new M5 iPad Pro isn't here to simply replace your old tablet. It's here to redefine what a computer can be. This device isn't about a faster chip or a brighter screen. It's about Apple showing us their vision for the future of portable computing, a future where your iPad can replace your laptop, your desktop, and maybe even your entire creative workstation. Today on GadgetVerse, we're diving deep into everything that makes the M5 iPad Pro a game changer, from its 2nm M5 chip and next-level AI features to that jaw-dropping display. Sleek new design, and how it stacks up against the M4 iPad Pro and the MacBook M5. Buckle up, because the future of the iPad starts right here. The M5 chip, power meets intelligence. At the heart of the M5 iPad Pro lies Apple's most advanced processor yet. Built on a 2nm architecture, this chip delivers up to 35% faster CPU performance and 45% faster graphics rendering compared to the M4. But the real story isn't just about numbers. It's about experience. Apps open instantly. 8K video editing feels effortless. 3D rendering and Procreate projects that once pushed limits now flow like butter. And behind it all is Apple's new neural engine, capable of processing over 50 trillion operations per second, giving you real-time AI assistance directly on your device, with no cloud dependency. This isn't just performance. It's intelligence, built right into your hands. Apple Intelligence. The iPad that thinks with you with the M5, Apple finally unlocks the true potential of on-device AI through Apple Intelligence. Imagine your iPad summarizing your notes instantly, rewriting text naturally, creating images inside Keynote, or managing files before you even ask. All of this happens locally, fast, secure, and private. No data leaks, no delays. It's Apple's answer to ChatGPT or Gemini, but fully integrated. And it feels seamless. This is more than smart. It's intuitively human. Display. The Ultra Retina XDR 2.0 experience lets talk visuals. The M4 gave us OLED. The M5 perfects it. Apple calls it the Ultra Retina XDR 2nd Gen, and it's pure eye candy. With tandem OLED technology, 1600 nits peak brightness, and adaptive color tuning called Dynamic Color Boost, the M5 display adjusts in real time based on what you're viewing and where you are. Whether you're editing HDR footage, sketching, or streaming, this screen rivals professional studio monitors, but fits in your backpack. Design, the thinnest device Apple has ever made. Apple's obsession with thinness has reached a new level. The M5 iPad Pro is now thinner than the iPhone 17, crafted with a futuristic liquid metal alloy frame and nano ceramic coating for extra strength. The Face ID camera has finally moved to the top in landscape mode. Thank you, Apple. And the new adaptive spatial audio makes every viewing angle sound perfect. Pair it with the Magic Keyboard M5 Edition and the Apple Pencil Pro 2, and you've got a full creative setup that feels like a MacBook crossed with magic. Battery, charging, and connectivity. Small chip. Big efficiency. Here's the surprise. Despite all that power, the M5 iPad Pro still delivers 10 hours of battery life, even under heavy use. The new Thunderbolt 5 port now supports 80 Gbps transfer speeds and dual 6K displays, while the 45W fast charger gets you from 0 to 50% in under half an hour. No wireless charging yet, but rumors say MagSafe might debut with the M6 lineup. Price and model starting at $1,199 for the 11.1-inch model and up to $2,299 for the 2TB cellular version. This iPad is premium, but it's also basically a portable workstation. Available in silver, space black, and titanium blue, it matches the iPhone 17 Pro aesthetic perfectly. M5 iPad Pro versus M4 and MacBook M5. Which one wins? If you're upgrading from an M4 and your workflow involves creative or AI-heavy tasks, the M5 is a clear winner. But if you mostly use your iPad for streaming or note-taking, the M4 still holds strong. Now comparing it to the MacBook M5, the lines have never been blurrier. Both share the same chip, but the iPad offers touch, pencil input, and mobility. The MacBook still wins for traditional multitasking, but for creators, travelers, and students, the M5 iPad Pro might just be the perfect balance. iPad OS 19, smarter than ever. The new iPad OS 19 brings Stage Manager 2.0, improved multitasking, and AI-assisted workflows that adapt to your habits. You can even run full-scale desktop apps like Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro in creative mode, optimizing system performance on the fly. Gaming. Apple's hidden weapon. The M5's 12-core GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing makes console-level gaming possible. Titles like Resident Evil Village, No Man's Sky, and Death Stranding Director's Cut run beautifully with responsive controls and immersive haptics. This isn't just a tablet anymore. It's a portable gaming powerhouse. Sustainability. The greenest iPad yet. Apple's pushing hard toward its 2030 carbon-neutral goal. The M5 iPad Pro uses 100% recycled aluminum, certified cobalt batteries, and fiber-based packaging, making it 35% greener than its predecessor. Release date: mark your calendars. Pre-orders begin late October. And the M5 iPad Pro hits stores November 2025 worldwide. Final thoughts. The future in your hands. So here's the truth. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just another Apple release. It's a vision statement. It's lighter than a notebook, more powerful than most laptops, and smarter than anything Apple's ever made. It's not just an upgrade. It's the future of personal computing, and as always, you heard it here first, only on GadgetVerse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more next-gen tech breakdowns. Because here at GadgetVerse, we don't just talk tech, we explore the future.